is going on? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to attempt to do eyebrow lamination. Now I've shown you how you can shape your eyebrows and tint them. Today we are going to try laminating our eyebrows with a lash lift kit, but I've seen videos that makes me an expert. That makes me an expert on this topic. I've seen two videos to be exact, one by Christina and one by James Welsh. Both of them are amazing, so I know exactly what I'm doing.
When you look up brow lamination on Instagram, these are the search results that you're shown. Everyone knows that brows frame your face. Shaping, tinting, microblading, and laminating your brows make a world of a difference. It doesn't matter how thick or how thin or how sparse your eyebrows are, try it out. This is a process where you're basically setting your brows in place to form any desired shape, so they can look as full as you want or as sleek as you want. It's not painful and it lasts anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks depending on the upkeep. It is suggested though, please keep this in mind, that if you use water or soap in the first 24 hours, they might not last as long. So maybe don't do that. But yes, let's see how you can get these brows. You can see the steps over here, how the brows are very normal, and then after lamination, they all just stand so perky and so cute.
This is what the kit comes with. It comes with a clean tool, lift pads. This is a cleansing liquid, fixation, the perming liquid, a nutrition liquid, and this is the lash glue, but yeah, the false lash glue. So let's try to end this video with eyebrows. Basically, I don't want them to burn off. I also have Q-tips, a brush to apply the products with, a mirror, and an eyebrow spoolie brush so that I can just brush it all up. Given that I am now an expert on this topic because I've watched 2 videos, don't come for me if I do something and if you're like, I don't know, don't come for me for anything. Just, I'm not an eyebrow technician or a lash technician. I'm just doing this so that you know that even you can maybe try this. I don't know. This is a warning. This is a warning. I don't know if you can do this, but you can try. We are 6 months into quarantine. Time has gone by. I also have some cling film. I have cling film that I can wrap my eyebrows with. Let's just jump straight into the video. I'm okay. Okay, so I have the perming liquid. Oh, it has a cap. This is the same brand that all of the other YouTubers use, so I know I'm not gonna mess this up. I'm just shaking it because I don't know, I feel like it might have settled. Oh, and it stinks! Oh, this stinks like, well, it smells like, you know when you get a keratin treatment, it stinks exactly like that. So I've picked up a little on this Q-tip and just apply it. Okay, I have a lot of product on. I'm going to take the spoolie brush and just brush it upward. So that's how my eyebrow is now. I'm going to do this eyebrow off camera and come back. I lied, I'm going to do both on camera. So this time I'll show you exactly how I pick up the product. I open it. There's usually another cap inside that I've just taken off. Dip the Q-tip and just run it through my eyebrows. I'm going to take the spoolie brush and just brush it all upward. Okay, so don't laugh at this. I have the cling foil and it's clinging. This is gonna be the funny part. I have to keep this on. Okay, let me just pause this video. So it's been 10 minutes. Shiny. Okay, I'm not nervous. You use the little thing that it comes with and just clean it. Okay, now that I have eyebrows that are enemies, not twins, sisters, relatives, or anything, I'm going to take the fixation number 2, basically the number 2 solution. Like, is it a liquid? Is it a... I don't know what it's called. And I am going to put it on top of my eyebrows so that it stays this way. I have applied the foil. I'm using the same foil because I don't want to waste it because it's plastic. And I already took such a massive piece earlier. Can you see how massive my eyebrows look though? This is gonna end up looking so funny.
Much later.
Hi, it's me. I'm back. I still have so much more time to go. So I have a question. Do you know anyone who says eyebrows instead of eyebrows? I don't know what the right way to say it is. I mean, I guess you can say it anyway, but is it eyebrows or eyebrows? Okay, we waited and... Oh my god, I can't deal with how this side looks compared to this side. This side looks sort of tame. This though, my eyebrows are not. Okay, so I'm going to take the cleansing liquid, just put it on a pad. What is going on? I mean, I trimmed them, so this one's not as crazy as it was. It'll be easier to fill in for sure, and they won't droop. That's definitely there. I will be tinting them so that it'll be easier for me to like do my makeup later. I have mixed 1 and 2. I'm gonna dye my eyebrows now. So I concentrate majority of the product in the tail of my eyebrow because that's where I want it to look more full, because this part looks full enough on both my eyebrows. So I've coated my eyebrow hair with the 1 and 2 of the beard color. My logic is if it's safe enough for this part of your face, it must be safe enough for this part of your face. I would never tint my lashes with these because that's just scary. I would never curl my lashes with this, even though this is a lash curling set, because that's scary. I don't want to go blind. I don't mind if my lashes drop off. I do mind, but I'm just saying that. I would highly suggest watching the videos. I'm going to put the link in my description of the 2 makeup artists that I did follow. One's a skincare expert and one's a makeup artist. Those are the videos I followed. I would highly suggest watching those also and not just my one video, because I feel like an expert after watching 2 videos. If you need more, I would suggest having done more research before you do something like this. The kit I use is the Icon sign. This one. I don't know how to read this. Icon sign lash lift. Okay, so as I keep talking and ending this video, the eyebrow dye is going to keep developing and setting, and you'll see the final output on my Instagram stories. Yes, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel. That really helps so much. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, tell me what you thought about it, tell me if you tried this out, and if you have any questions, head to my Instagram or just comment down below. Bye bye.